here are some basics for you. So let's make a slip knot. So there are many different ways to make a slip knot, but here's an easy one. So you're going to take your tail. This is your yarn. You're going to take your tail and you're going to loop it over so it's on the top and the loop is facing away from you. Then you're going to fold it over so it looks like a pretzel. Then you're going to take this part that's closer to the yarn coming out of the skein, and you're going to take the tail and you're going to pull it. And there you have a very easy way to do a slip knot. Now I'm going to go over some basic stitches. So first we're going to chain. To chain, you just loop over, pull it through, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, pull it through. So I'm going to just chain a few to show you some basic stitches. Okay, so here we have a little chain. So let's start with a single crochet. Now normally when you're working after a chain, you're always going into this second loop here. Not this one, because that's the loop that's on your hook. You're going to always go into this one. So let's do a single crochet. A single crochet is you go into the hole, you yarn over, you pull it through, you yarn over, you pull it through. That's a single crochet. Let's do it again. Into the hole, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, pull it through. One more. Into the hole, yarn over, pull it through, pull it through. Now let's do a half double crochet. So first, before you go into the hole, you're going to yarn over, you're going to put it into the hole, you're going to pull it through, and then you have 3 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over and you're going to pull it through all 3. That is a half double crochet. One more time. We're going to yarn over, put it in the hole, pull it through. You have 3, yarn over, pull it through all. Now we're going to do a double crochet. You're going to yarn over, you're going to put it into the hole, you're going to pull it through. You have 3, you're going to yarn over, pull it through the first 2. You have 2 left, and then you're going to yarn over, pull it through the next. Let's do this again. Yarn over, into the hole, pull it through. You have 3, yarn over, pull the first 2, yarn over the last 2. And then I'm going to show you for the last 2, I'm going to show you a treble crochet, which is a triple crochet. It's called treble. So you yarn over twice. You're going to go 1, 2. You're going to go into the hole. You're going to pull it through, and you have 4 loops. You're going to yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over, pull it through the next 2. Gets a little tricky. And then yarn over, pull it through the last 2. That's a treble crochet. Let's do it again. 1, 2. Going to go into that last hole. Going to yarn over, pull it through. You have 4. Yarn over, pull it through 2. Yarn over, pull it through 2. Yarn over, pull it through the last 2. And there you have it. So now we have this. While we did these different stitches, we have a nice, maybe the beginning of a leaf design for a future project. Anyway, so those are your basic stitches. We have treble crochet, double crochet, half double, and single crochet. So I hope that helped.